Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn the intro for A Million Dreams from The Greatest Showman. And if one of your dreams for 2021 is to play guitar, then I have a 30-day challenge that you can check out in the description below. It's absolutely free and it'll give you everything that you need to start learning the songs that you want to learn on guitar. Let's get started learning this song, guys, and I'm going to start out by just playing through that intro so that you can hear it one time, and then I'll go through what I'm doing. Alright guys, so that is what we're going to learn today, and the first thing that we do is super easy. We're just playing between the G and the B string. So we're just going G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, so the very first thing that we're doing is super easy. All we're doing is playing between the G and the B string. And we do that for 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go to an F minor chord, and all we're going to do, that is on the 4th fret of the D string and the 2nd fret of the G string. We're going to do that for 4 beats. So G, after that, we're going to go to an E minor 7, but we're only playing 2 notes of the E minor 7, and what we're doing, it's our first finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And then we end on a C, and we're just playing the C note and the G. And then we're going to go to the 1st fret and then open on the B string. So 1st fret B string, open B string. So let me go over that C part again and then we'll go through the whole thing. So it goes. Alright. So all I'm doing is I'm going back and forth, and I'm using my finger. You can totally use your pick. I find it easier to pluck the string with my finger. Alright, so let's go through that whole first part. It changes the second time, so we'll go through that one as well. So here we go. Now for the next part, starts out the same. Alright, so you're going to do those two the same, and this is where it changes. So you're going to, on that F sharp minor, you're going to go, and then after that you're going to hit this 4th fret again. Then you're going to put your 2nd finger down on the 3rd fret. Then go back to the 4th on the D, then open G. So, and then you end on that C. So let's go through that. G, F sharp, 7, C, F sharp with the change, alright, let's go through that a little bit slower, and at the end of this video there will be a play along. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and F sharp, E minor 7, C, F sharp minor, and that's it, guys. So just work on the speed, follow along with the play along at the end of this, and like I said, if you would like to learn a little bit more in depth about guitar and be able to learn the songs that you want to learn and be able to do that all by yourself, sign up for that 30-day challenge in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.